that? Leave her alone. Just play on your hippity hops. I don't know. Why aren't you going to hop? Hop, hop, hop. You're not hopping now? Hey, Madison, come over here. Come on. What are you doing? I want to see you hop. Yeah. Maddie, what are you doing? What happened, Maddie? You fell on the mud?
No.
Let me see your pant. Let me show your shorts. Turn around. Turn around. Let me see. I know. Come here, Maddie. Come here. Let me see. Well, I want to see it. What did you do? Oh, Maddie. Ay, gosh.
Mom, you have to wipe my shoe.
Yeah.